So those of you who want to get into the editing space, there are apps I recommend for you to get on your PCs. Yeah, the first one is CapCut. Yeah, it's usually the one which is the easiest to use. It doesn't require much of RAM, but you need, I think, 8 gig will be okay. Then the second one is DaVinci Resolve. Then Premiere Pro. Yeah, Premiere Pro is the most used PC version of editing apps. Yeah. Then the DaVinci is the upcoming one too. DaVinci is quite free. Premiere Pro is a little bit is paid version. Then I think CapCut is very free crap. The answer. Yeah. So let's get straight into it. In CapCut, you can do a lot of things. One, you can go to media, import media, audio, etc. Then go to drag even footage from desktop or anywhere you can drag into the timeline. There are stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments, and it's the easiest to use because there are a lot of things there for you to use, not creating it by yourself. Do you understand? Yeah, so there are scale, cut out, max, enhance. You can color correct, color enhance, like color grade, etc. Yeah. Then getting into Premiere Pro, this requires much time in learning, yeah, than the CapCut. But if if you have used editing apps before, you quite have it, the learning curve to be easier than if you are a beginner here. So you import footage. They have columns for assembling, editing, color, effects, audio, graphics, captions, and even more here. So getting into DaVinci Resolve, which is the third one on this list, you can also, it has tabs, fusion, edit, color, audio, etc. Yeah, fair light, those stuff. So this is quite used by colorists. Who is a colorist? A colorist is a person who color grades, like make video footage, like those pro versions. You see, those colors will be appealing to the eyes so much more than using Premiere Pro. You can use Premiere Pro. Is you know the best since the years. But in color grading, I think the DaVinci has an upper hand over the Premiere Pro because we have no notes. It has colors in notes, so you can go into every note, then adjust it. Yeah. So hope I've touched on all of it for you. So you can subscribe, like, comment, then share to friends for more content. Yeah.